One of my favourite things to do is to long press app icons to quickly jump to different features of the app. For example, if I long press on the camera, I can go straight into selfie mode and take a picture as quickly as that. But there are loads of different ways this can be used, and I'm going to share 5 of my favourite ways now with you to help you save time on your iPhone. So number 1 is long pressing that camera icon. As I showed you can jump straight to selfie mode, you can go to portrait mode, in fact you can go to any of the camera modes like video as well straight from there. Simply press and hold, tap on the option you want, and the app will launch straight to that place. Another time I use this all the time for number 2 is finding updates in the App Store. Now at the moment you have to go onto the App Store, press the profile picture, choose updates, and then the list appears. But actually you can just long press the App Store icon, go straight onto updates, and you'll see all of your newest features for your apps straight away. Of course, Photos also has some really good time-saving tips here, and if you long press the Photos icon, I often jump straight to Favourites. This saves opening photos, going onto collections, and then scrolling to find favourites. It's literally just a tap and a drag and you're there. More productively though, quite often I'll send emails from my phone rather than my computer if I'm out and about, and I can simply long press the email icon and then go straight onto New Message. That saves a couple of taps, but it means I can just start typing straight away before I forget what I wanted to send. And then for number 5, my most favourite use of this feature is when I want to scan a receipt or a document into Notes, because rather than opening Notes and making a new document and then choosing Scan, I can simply long press the Notes icon and go straight to Scan Document, and as quickly as that, my receipt is scanned. So they're my 5 favourite shortcuts. Let me know in the comments which ones you like, and then check out this quick tip next.